artist. Today we're going to be drawing Crazy Baby. That's right, we're going to turn a letter C into Crazy Baby. This baby is, well, crazy. And then we're going to add it to our cartoon land, a world of cartoons that we keep adding to more and more each day. Hey, it's going to be so much fun, so grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. So to draw Crazy Baby, we're going to start with a letter C, just like that. And then we're going to draw Crazy Baby's eyes, and let's make them really crazy. So we're going to draw these big. Look at how goofy those eyes are. And then we're going to let's add one big Crazy Baby tooth and a Crazy Baby tongue. And then we're going to draw just a little line here and here. And you could shade. That's the inside of our character's mouth. Now, I'm coloring my character as I'm drawing. I think you should wait till the very end. It'll make it much easier. Let's go ahead and we're going to draw the Crazy Baby face, or the head shape. So we're going to start over here at this eye, and we're just going to draw a shape like this. And then we're going to add some Crazy Baby ears, just these two little things. I'm going to put little tiny V's that are sideways inside of there. There we go, we got Crazy Baby's face. But we also need to add a bow. So I'm going to add a bow. I'm going to draw a little shape like this, and then two curvy lines like so, and add these little details. But maybe you don't want a bow. Maybe instead your Crazy Baby is going to have just a few little hairs like this, or a big old head of hair like that, or a purple mohawk. It's up to you what you want to add to your Crazy Baby. So with our Crazy Baby face all finished, that's a tongue twister. Crazy Baby, Crazy Baby, Crazy Baby. Let's draw the body. So we're gonna draw a little shape like this. And we're gonna add legs and feet. So let's just draw two lines here for the legs. And then we're going to draw these little shapes for our Crazy Baby feet. Let's draw the arms. We're just going to draw these two shapes like this. And we need to add some cartoon fingers. I like to draw 3 fingers and a thumb, but you can draw as many as you like. And there you go. We have Crazy Baby. Wah! Oh my gosh, that is a Crazy Baby. Okay, welcome to Cartoon Land, a world that's full of our drawings that we've been working on, and we need to add our Crazy Baby. I hope this monster doesn't mess with Crazy Baby. And Dancing Cookie, you might want to watch out. Crazy Baby might eat you. Speaking of monsters, hey, we can't put Crazy Baby over here. We could put it on top of a flying narwhal, though. I think a good place for a Crazy Baby might be right over here. And just like that, we've added Crazy Baby. Well, we just keep adding more and more characters to our cartoon land. So check in tomorrow. We're going to draw some more characters. We're going to fill this entire world up with all of our drawings. And remember, every drawing tells a story.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. No commercials, safe content, and most of all, fun! And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.